Pressure washer undercarriage cleaner, 2-in-1 undercarriage cleaner 16-inch water broom for pressure washer with 4 nozzles and 2 upgraded flexible rubber wheels, 360 degrees rotatable. Come with 2 pieces 16-inch straight extension wand, 1 piece 15-inch 90-degree curved wand, so that you can deeper cleaning. Suitable for both hot and cold water. Dual purpose, according to your requirements, it can be used as undercarriage cleaner or water broom. Just pull out the nut of the rotary fastener at the end of the washer, then rotate the rotary coupler to the end. Finally, the nut will lock automatically. 1/4 quick connect plug is easy connect and release pressure washer wand. Water broom, pressure washer surface cleaner attachment used to clean surfaces quickly, easily, and evenly. It is ideal for sweeping loose debris, sand, leaves, light mud, such as clean sweeping patio, driveway, poolside, sidewalk, driveway, deck, etc. Undercarriage cleaner, connect the straight pressure washer wand to the long trigger gun, and the curved wand to the straight wand. Then connect them to the car washer. They are easily dragged into the bottom of the car under the control of the trigger gun. Easy to clean and use, avoid crawling under vehicles. Suitable for residual road dirt, oil, and fuel contaminants on the chassis of various vehicles. Tips: the working pressure range is 1500 psi to 4000 psi. Suggest working pressure is 2500 psi or higher. Quick and easy to clean under vehicles, boats, RVs. It helps remove road grime,